Thank you for introduction, and thank you for giving this opportunity to explain the Japanese strategy. And I'm contributed to establish the Japanese national quantum strategy the past 2 years. And so this slide shows the national strategy, national quantum strategy in Japan. So Japanese government released the first edition of national quantum strategy. It's so-called the Quantum Technology and Innovation Strategy in the 2020s. So at that time, so the national strategy is basically focusing on the basic research strategy and making a roadmap. And after 2 years later, and many companies release the quantum computer services through the internet. And so many users can access the realistic quantum computers and to create the new use case creation, use case solutions. And so the government expand to the existing quantum strategy. So the 2022 is the government release. The government shows the vision of the quantum future society. This vision shows the future society image using the quantum technologies. And in the last year, 2023, and so government released the strategy of quantum future industry development. This strategy, like as a roadmap to implementation of the quantum technology, the society and the industry, so creating the business market. And then so this year, so released some supplementary document, so-called the promotion measure of the quantum industry implementations. And then so government set up the goal that these 3 types of the exist. And one of them is user creations and increasing the number of the users. And the second one is creating the production over the 5 trillion Japanese yen. And then the last one is creating the quantum unicorn companies. And then so they are the first, they are the stakeholder to create the future society using the quantum technologies. And so now this is the Japanese research and development hub. And then so now there is 11 research institute and then the university contributed this Japanese national strategy. And then so each institute and the university have each responsibilities. So basic research, and then for example, RIKEN is responsible to create new quantum computing technologies, and then the AIST, our organization, is contributed to creating the global business ecosystem to create a new market. And then so under this national strategy, and so Japanese government invests to the quantum technology areas. And at the 2020s, government almost invests the 300 million Japanese yen, and then per years. And then so the 2020 and 2021, so the government basically invests to the basic research. And then after 2022, it's almost budget is almost twice compared to the as before years as 2020s. And so from the 2022, so the government invests not only to the basic research area, but also the industrializations. And then also there is a member of the government ministry, and one of the cabinet office is Ministry of the International Affairs and Communications, also the education and the economies. And then So today I'd like to show you the national research project, especially for industrialization activities. Now, so there are just three topics. One of them is the SIP program. This is a cross-ministry strategic innovation promotion program. So each ministry have each responsibility, so communication and the basic science and economy and trade. And so this program is gathers all activities and then to create a new market and a new business. And then so other two activities shown here, G-QuAT establishment is my affiliations activities, and then last one is a new types of project. It's a NEDO project, NEDO challenges. Okay, and then I'd like to show you the SIP program shown here. And then the SIP program set up the three technical areas, that's one innovation programs. And then the first of all is the quantum computing areas. It's the quantum computing areas covers, so basically to create a use case. And then so also the main topics is the use case development, and then the testbed creation. Testbed for the use case creations. And then the third one, then the last one is most also important to create the market and the industrialization. So one of them is the benchmark software benchmark programs, and last one is roadmap to estimate the future computing resources and then the future requirement of the computer resources from the industry side. And then the second one is difficult to show here. It's a network, quantum network shown here. And then this is almost the same as the testbed in the infrastructures using a quantum secure cloud. And then also the use case, and then here. And then also the sensing area. Sensing area is also same. It's a testbed is very important. And then the next one is the use case creation. It's these three technologies. So main activity is set up the testbed and then create the use cases. And the last one is the most also important point is the talent development and then the market creation. Also the creating the startups here activities. And then this program is a little bit different activity compared to the existing Japanese national program. So this slide shows the metrics of the effectiveness of the research achievement. And then first of all, it's a very famous metrics. It's so-called the TRL, the technology readiness level. It's a very familiar in the research R&D areas. And then the other four metrics are also important to implementation, new technology to the societies. And then so business readiness level is also important, and then shown here, and then the other metrics also important. So this program measure each achievement under these five metrics now. Okay, so next one is G-QuAT establishment here. And so Japanese government is invest totally 62 billion Japanese yen, and then to create the new center. It's this center. They're creating the new buildings, and then including the incubation and the collaboration space, and also our mission is use case creation. So now preparing the computer resources. For example, we are now set up the over 2,000 units of the NVIDIA H100 GPU clusters, and then also we now set up the quantum computers. It's a superconducting type, and a neutral atom from the QLR in the United States, and then so optical quantum computers here. Okay, then also we will start the new quantum project. It's NEEDO challenges. It's prize programs. And this is the first trial of this type of project. But this project almost like as the DARPA challenge, that project. And then so we encourage the users and then the software vendors and also the hardware vendors. And we try to create the variable solutions for the implementation of the quantum technology societies now. Okay, so this is the last slide. So the Japanese government is think these three activities most important: global collaborations, global accessibilities, global incubations. These, so that we need a collaboration, so the many stakeholders in the world. So please come in the new center. We are happy to create the new market, collaborate with you. Thank you.